Here's a short demo of the profile tool. I'm going to start out with a circle here. It has a 9-point stroke and it has no fill. And I'll hit A to get my direct select tool and then drag across to delete the top half of the circle by deleting the top anchor point. Now I have half a circle. Now it happens to be that I have the rounded cap turned on. I could turn on, we'll turn on the flat caps for now. So it's just a simple path with a uniform stroke. But say I want to create a more dynamic, varied width, I can use what's called the width tool. It's closely tied to what is called profile here. The width tool is a tool that lets you edit the stroke width at different places. So by clicking the width tool and then clicking anywhere along the path, I create a width tool point that can be changed. Now if I click on the center anchor, I can move that along the width of the length of the stroke. I can also then click on one side. Now if I hold the Option key down or Alt key on the PC, I can control just one side at a time. And these strokes are, these anchor points are completely separate from the path, the underlying path. And now if I could turn on the rounded caps, and you'll see that it gives me, I could control the end just like I control the rest of the width points. If I want to be more precise, I can double click and change each side independently if I leave it unlocked, or if I lock it, then they would be moved proportionately together. I'll just hit cancel. If I want to create an effect, say I could give this a add a stroke or a gradient to it and make it along the length. Now when I change if I brought this down and held the Option key, get some interesting effects. If you create something that you want to reuse, and with it selected, you can go down to the profile and click and click at the very bottom, this icon, add to profiles, and give it a name if you'd like. Click OK, and you've added it to the profile menu. Now those profiles are going to be available in any document you open. They'll be available in this document, but if I open a new document and did another line here with the pen tool this time, click down, I have that same width profile that I created. Now I've only got a 1-point stroke, so maybe I make it 40 points, but it's the same profile. I hope that helps in explaining how to use the width tool.